The latch head is easily manipulated with one hand and helps you lock on to one specific wire for applications in tight spaces. You'll notice a red and green LED to indicate full pressure was reached on every crimp. That green LED indicated full pressure. You can additionally notice that the ram retracts. This is another time-saving feature that helps you move through your job faster. You can additionally catch that ram as it retracts to help take up less time on the stroke. The addition of the 6-ton Latched Linear Utility Crimper delivers the most uniform crimp appearance.